The next question that we have for BRS preparation, it tells us that on 31st November, passbook of Mr. XYZ shows a bank balance of 22,000. A comparison of cash book with bank book showed the following differences. So here we've been given bank balance as per passbook. We will have to prepare the BRS and to calculate the bank balance as per cash book. So we are talking about the second scenario, and the thumb rule for the second scenario is add transactions in set 2 and then subtract transactions in set 1 so that we could get this particular we could go about with the preparation of this particular BRS. So together, let's prepare the BRS for this particular question. So here we are preparing the next question, and in the next question we are having a scenario where we've been given bank balance as per passbook, and we will have to calculate the bank balance as per cash book. So here this balance shows to be 22,000. There are some transactions that we have to add, and the transactions that we have to add are the first one is bank is yet to clear checks worth 4,000 and 1,000, which is added into the bank. So here, which is deposited into the bank. So this is basically transactions that belong to set 2, and in this scenario, set 2 have to be added. So checks deposited but not cleared. Okay, and we have 2 sets of checks, which is worth 4,000 and next is worth 1,000. Then there are some that we have to subtract, and the transactions that we have to subtract are Mr. XYZ issued checks worth 500 and 1,500, but it has not been encashed by the vendor. So you gave someone checks, but that vendor has not encashed these checks. So checks issued but not in cash, and that is 500, 1,500. Then what do we have? We have ₹100 that has been deposited by the bank as interest. So what is 100? 100 is nothing but interest on investment, and that is set 1. So interest on investment, this is ₹100. So now when we do this, what do we get? We get bank balance as per passbook. Okay, we get bank balance as per passbook. So for this, let us quickly work on the calculations. So 4,000, 1,000, this is 5,000, and now when you work this out, this is 2,100. Okay, so 22,000 plus 5,000, that is 27,000, and then 27,000 minus 2,100. So that works out to be 24,900. Now, what is the significance of 24,900? It is the bank balance as per, okay, I made a small mistake over here. Bank balance as per cash book. So bank balance as per cash book is 24,900.